Kind of massive talent we are seeing in Igbo land now is what we want to be saying. Another Igbo boy have built a solar generator that can serve your whole house and carry every electronics you have in your home. My people, let's go and find out how this thing take happen. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Valabas GC. If today is the first time where they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Please, if today is the first time they come across this channel, try to give the channel a follow and also subscribe to our YouTube channel, because we are here to be bringing you back-to-back update as it is hot. The matter what will carry come today. They say one Igbo man, one Igbo boy, let me call it like that because he's a young boy. One Igbo young boy have built a solar generator that can power your house and carry every electronics you have in your home with no issue. He built it to standard, original standard. This kind of talent we are seeing in Igbo land right now is growing and growing every day. And this is what we truly need now. Igbo people are kind of, once there is a problem, they'll be looking for a solution before other people follows. Once, this is how China become what they are today. Once there is a problem in a nation like this, China will be looking for a way to flow in there to bring a solution. And this is the kind of gift that God gifted to Igbo people in Nigeria, especially in Aba. But Nigeria never valued this talent at all. They never value it. If Nigeria have valued this talent, Nigeria will not be where they are today. Because people who supposed to be the people that will carry other people along, show it as in building things, you are clamping them down. You think that you will grow. Let us go and watch this video before we use talk to them and forget what will come here. If you be talking Nigeria matter, we no go finish them. Watch this video that I'm going to show you now and see this thing that this guy built. Very fine, fantastic. This thing, oh my God, let's watch the video together.
So this is one of your products, right?
Yes, we are about to build this
hybrid generator.
We are about to build it to Benin.
This one is 3,000 watts capacity.
Yes.
Okay, fine. You can see it.
Here's the fan now. You can see this normal fan. Here's the plug. This is not solar fan. Wait, now shift. Let me plug it. Assuming now, for instance, this is your generator plug. You plug it in. This is generator plug, for instance. Then another thing now is just to on the key. Where is that key? You can see it's very, very simple. You turn it on. Let's check what. Wow, as simple as this. That's very nice. You can see it. Everything is very, very complete. Come closer to the car so that we go to the side.
Yeah, I can see it. It's working perfectly.
Come and show them the control. It's working very, very well. Let me off it and on it. Make sure that they see it very well. You can see the fan is off. And here is the key. See the key. You don't need to drag it like a normal generator. It's just to plug the key and turn it off. And see light everywhere. You can see it. You can see there's no panel attached to it now. So you can use it without panel because it's dual charging. You understand? Which means the electric can charge it. And solar panel can also charge it. And plug this thing, and remove that plug. After you remove it, see it, you can move it anywhere. Let me move the shift. See the hand there. That's it. Turn it on the side. See the ventilator. I see the way it's running. It's okay. So this is how it functions. Do you have any other question?
No, for now, because with this now I'm convinced.
Okay.
Solar generator.
240 na when you mean?
Yeah, 240 kVA.
Oh no man, like you know.
Yeah, can I?
Water.
See wonders. Look at wonders. Wonders.
This is 10 kVA. 10 kVA generator, terrific solar generator. You see it, we are putting it to Webile to Delta State. That's the name of the hotel. Progressive Delta State. You see it. Yeah, the panels. New brand mono panels. So we are about to move now.
Wonderful. My people, welcome back. As I've watched that video, this is the things that we want to be saying. Igbo land is blessed. Our people is blessed. So guys, all these rich men, young boys that get money are looking for where you can invest your money on. Look for the people like this in your village. There are many. Look for them. Bring them up. Ask them, what do you need to get this kind of things? Help them, sponsor them, bring them up. This is why how China become what they are today. Each family have what they are producing. Each family has what they know them, what they specialize on. And like this, their children pick it up, their friends, everybody who are interested to learn. They now attract foreign investors to come and start building in China's. You see, this is why China become what they are today. So this is the things that I want to see in Igbo land. All those bad things that happen, we are praying, let this go, let it go. Tufusha bokroki itag onya wala gaga bukro everywhere. Drop, okay, take those pots you go and carry to teach you how to do all those things instead of keeping pots and the thing will be smelling in your area. This is what we need in Igbo land today. Not all these people deceiving people everywhere. May God bless these boys that are doing this thing. God is going to help you to reach your goal. You will never fall. This is my prayer for you all. So guys, please, if you need this to patronize these people, you will need to patronize. I'm going to look for their number and put it here. Please, if I drop any number that I drop through me, please verify that number before you do anything. Don't want anybody to come and say it's from your channel. I don't need that kind of story here at all. So I must stress and make sure that I put original number that I can get these people direct, understand, so that you can contact them for anything. So guys, this is what we need. Share this video and share the video and share the video. This is what we need. This is good news. You have to share. When you finish watching it, you share the video and make sure you follow this page and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Very, very important.